Hi everyone, it's Genene, and in today's problem-solving series, let's use our desk to fix our posture and boost our confidence. Today, let's begin standing, and then gently close your eyes. Take this moment to breathe in and out through your nose, and just get completely immersed in that sound. Reminding yourself this is something that you can do throughout your day. Blocking everything out, taking a few deep breaths in and out through your nose to regain your center. And now let's open our eyes and physically center ourselves. Look down at your feet, adjust your feet as you need to bring them parallel and hip bone width apart. And then notice the rest of your posture. How are you standing today? Let go of any judgments that bubble up to the surface. And then let's play. Drop your chin down, look at the floor, see what happens to your energy level. Now try looking up. Now what happens? And then come and stare straight ahead. Notice how these small movements can really affect your mood. This time, let's drop our chin down and just hold for a few seconds, stretching the neck flexors. And then come back to center. And now for the neck extensors, look up, still breathing, in and out through your nose. Back to center. Inhale your arms out to the sides, bend your arms at the elbows, and then imagine you're extending out through the arms into the elbows, but now squeeze from elbows to the top of the shoulders. Feel the shoulder blades come more firmly onto the back, and hold here. Feel your chest expanding. Breathe into that newfound sense of expansion. Bring your hands behind your back and place your hands in a reverse prayer so your fingers are pointing down. Once again, giving yourself that opportunity to open your chest a little bit more. Release and face your desk. You may not need your desk at all for this one. It's optional in case you need a little support. So hands to hips to start. Bow forwards 90 degrees. Belly pulls in to support this action. Feel the low back muscles engaging. Now you're deciding, okay, is this super challenging? Then take your hands to the desk for support. Everyone together. Inhale, either your right arm off to the right or both arms off to the side if you're not using the desk, and hold, squeezing those shoulder blades on the back, feeling the chest broaden, and then exhale, set it down, and keep going just like this. Inhaling, out to the side, there's that pause, and then back, and then out, and back, out. If you're not using your desk, your arms simply go by your side, up, and back. Little tricks, if this is hurting your back, it's too hard for you, so you grab the desk. Inhale out and up, and down, up, and down, up, and then down. The next one is more challenging, so you may need the desk, even if you didn't already. Try it once, see how it is with the desk. Bring your right arm up into a V overhead. So it's at an angle, palm faces in towards the body, and you're bringing that arm back in line with the ear as best you can. And if this is no big deal, then you bring the left arm up as well. And then exhale, set it down. Otherwise, you're alternating arms. Up and down. And keep going. Inhaling, reaching up, exhaling to lower down. Inhale and exhale. Keep lifting the kneecaps so you're not hyperextending the knees. And inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Flow with your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Walk yourself up to standing however you need to get there. Take a breath here. Place your hands on the desk. So walk back as far as you need to just to get your hands there. Okay, so that your spine is still in neutral. So you're not like rounding the spine. So you walk your feet back a little bit. Just so you get the feel of this. Arms strong and straight. Desk, protraction and retraction. Protraction, shoulder blades move forward and laterally or away from each other. Retraction, shoulder blades move backward and medially or towards each other. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Push your desk away and let the shoulders broaden into this protraction action. And then retraction is where you draw the shoulder blades together. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And keep going just like that while I give you options. If this is feeling like, okay, that's not a big deal, then try walking your feet back until you're in a plank pose. And the wrists and the shoulders are still in one straight line and doing the same thing. Breathing in and out through your nose. Keep your neck nice and long. Remembering what we did at the beginning where you dropped your chin and lifted your head, and now you're keeping it in one straight line. So as you go through, you'll notice it's super easy to start wanting to go really fast and just go, oh, do, 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 do. But instead, you're holding each just for a couple seconds and then going back. And the other thing that will happen is as soon as you retract the shoulders, you bring the shoulder blades together, your elbows want to bend. That makes it easier. And that's not the end of the world. But just for right now, see if you can get that action and keep your arms straight. And then keep going a few more. And then on your last one, hold your plank. Maybe it's a super easy plank. That's fine. Hold it. And then come up to standing and recheck your posture. You can close your eyes for a moment, take a breath. This way you get to feel where your feet are, and that will tell you, are you rocked back more on your heels? Are you pushed more through the balls of the feet? And now open the eyes and see where your head was. And maybe you want to adjust and just see, where do you feel more aligned? And thank yourself for taking just a few minutes that can totally change your outlook on the rest of today. Notice as you go through the rest of the day, I challenge you to keep thinking about your posture and seeing at the end of each day how much less pain do you have. Remember to click the like button. That lets me know that I'm doing a good job. Hopefully you're 2 or 3 inches taller, ready to take on the rest of your day. I can't wait to hear about how you're using this practice. I'll look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.